It's April 4, Saturday, 8:06 p.m. And, wait lang, yung rasyon, hindi makita. Ayan, ang mga rasyon. We have bigas, macaroni, noodles. Aga ko nagising. Mag 6 o'clock pa lang. And this is and it's today is day 32 of quarantine, and I'm making some French toast. The finished product. So, naisipan ko mag-makeup. No foundation at all. Today is April 24, Friday 2020, and it's only 5:43 a.m. I'm gonna do this plank workout day 9 for 4 minutes only. Hindi na ako nakatulog. Sleep last night by 6 a.m. 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. hanggang 2 a.m. So, well rested na ako na. And it's only 6:22 in the morning. I'm playing Sims. Ang daming kalat, oh. Ano ba yan? And anything, the part 2. May nagtitinda ng saba. Puro screen naman nakita. Ano ba yan?
Yan ba may isang taon na? Next month. Ilang months? 11 months na ngayon. 11. Mag-isang taon na.
Make a ginger water. Nabili pa namin ito sa Macau at hindi namin nakain. So I'm gonna be putting water here. So you have a ginger water. Hi, it's May 2. Saturday. Ayan. 4:41 a.m. And dahil hindi pwedeng lumabas, nag self-wax tayo sa bahay, and I've been using this honeycomb wax, cold wax. So tapos na ako mag-wax, yun, huh? And dito upper lip at saka mga toenails. And ganito ang itsura niya. And it really smells honeycomb. So, ginagamitan ko lang ng kutsilyo para mag-scrape, and then yun na. Pero wala nang kailangang pads para ma-wax mo siya. As is na siya, straight to the skin, and then peel off. Itong tsaang ito ay napaka-beneficial. It's called Tea Guan Yin. Binigay lang to sa amin. I'm gonna flash the description from Google, and
ng mga test na ginagawa ng pribadong sektor sa Project R. Nagkaroon po sila ng mahigit kumulang na 5,000 additional rapid tests. At sa Maynila alone po, no? Sa Maynila, yung sa dalawang lugar sa Maynila, sa Sampaloc,
Pang dalawang ano ito eh.
nakadiscover po sila ng 94 cases na positive